guys, Saturday night. Welcome back to the channel. Joe Burgess, how are ya? I'm gonna be going over. I get a 40s snap-on ratchet, and then beside it, I got a modern day snap-on ratchet, and I'm just gonna show you guys a quick comparison with the two. Christian Client Graphics had this ratchet here. It's a 71-15 half-inch 15-inch ratchet. It's a half-inch drive, and I guess it's from the 1940s. So this one here I took and cleaned up a little bit. It's a little bit better looking now than it was. It was pretty pitted, beat up, a lot of surface rust on it, stuff like that. I recently got a repair from Snap-on. I put a new guts in it and new screws, new internals. So all this inside here is new. The whole thing just basically got rebuilt. So I guess they can go back that far. Christian Client Graphics actually went on the truck and actually had his guy go through it with him. He actually took it and started rebuilding right on the truck. I actually didn't do that, but I just want to show you guys what happened after I actually cleaned it up. He actually rebuilt it, and it came out pretty nice. This is, like I said, this is a 15-inch half-inch ratchet from the 1940s. Snap-on 71-15. Patent number 1854513. That's the patent number by Snap-on. But compared to this is the modern day ratchet SL80-A. I don't know if you can read that, but this is the modern day, pretty much modern day ratchet as far as the comparison. The handles are styled a little different. This is typical what you see nowadays, with the double lines and everything's etched in the middle of those. Then you get the double lines at the bottom of the handle, and here you just have one single flute down the bottom, and then as you go up, you have one flute up here. So it's a little different than that handle there. And like I said, the chrome's definitely a lot different. I mean, I'm sure back in the 1940s, it probably looks like this beauty right here. So that's probably what we've seen when that ratchet was brand new. But I cleaned it up, guys. It looks a lot better than it did. It's going back into action now. Like I said, he changed the insides up. The switch is still the same. Put new screws in. The on and off is just a little bit pitted and worn down a little bit, but all in all, still functionality is good. So we're not going to complain about that. Because it's got all new guts. As a matter of fact, it actually has a little finer tooth, which it came with a pretty coarse tooth before. So he took and he was nice enough to rebuild it for me. And like I said, came out pretty good, guys. Came out pretty good. I have to say, I'm pretty happy with it. It's going to be a useful addition to the collection. So, I'm going to put it into service. So this is just a little comparison, guys. To the modern day ratchet, which it's pretty close. Pretty close, and not too many big differences between the two. Actually the head's shaped a little differently too, pear head shape. The fasteners I use as well, on the back, instead of like flathead screws, they use those type right there. Looks like a multi fastener. I don't know what you'd call that, but like I said, it's a little bit little bit squared off here, where this is a little bit more round off, almost like the Mac tool style. So back then, I guess they were doing it like that. So. Alright guys, just a quick one for you. Like I said, I just want to show you how I did. I didn't have any befores to show you, but all in all, it came out pretty smooth. And maybe down the line, who knows, maybe I'll get it re-chromed to match that one. I think it'll look pretty nice restored. Back to original. So. Can't get it completely back to original, but maybe I can have them rechrome it. So, alright guys, I just wanted to show you that quick one, and hope you guys are having a great Saturday night, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much guys, and have a nice night.